Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and as you can see we've got a cruelty free box to unbox. So this is £19 a month, but I do get the makeup one, and usually I get 5 lots of makeup in here, and it's all cruelty free and it is all vegan, and it's usually really good items. So so I pay about £19 a month for this, I think it is. Alright, so we're just gonna open it up, and you open it from the front. So here we go. That's what this box is. We'll take that off because I don't want to see that. Right, so we'll start off with, what is it? We've got a Cougar Pure Minerals 5-in-1 foundation. So there we go. I shall just put that there. And then we have got Maggie Ann Free Gel Effect. What is it? Colour and Shine. Quick to apply, easy to remove. I don't know what that is, but we'll have a look at it later. So I'm just taking the items out. Oh, we have a Bella Pierre clear mascara. So, and then we've got a natural eyebrow by Bennycause. So it's an eyebrow pencil and a brush. Then we have got a, what do you call it? Oh, this is like a blending brush by Cougar. So there we go. Right, okay, so now I'm just going to have a look at these items. I don't need that box anymore. Right, so this is the Cougar blending brush. This is like an ideal brush. It's really stubble. It is not soft, it's like, so it's going to be like stubble. Easy, like if you wanted to blend and put like a contour there, so that's easy for that. It's fantastic actually sort of brush. I do like that brush. But okay, so I just want to get on with the makeup. Right, okay, so this that looks like a really good brow pencil. So I'm just going to show you on my arm, and you'll see, there it is. You see it? It's really a good quality one. And you also get the spoolie, which is quite good as well. So that's that. And then we got this little gadget. Now I don't know what it is. Maybe it might be better if I write this on this, because I don't. Maggie Ann. It's a nail polish. And this is a full-sized item, and this is £10.50. So yeah, so the eyebrow pencil, which is full size, and that is £4.95. So there we go. Right, so I'm just gonna open this slightly. I didn't mean to wreck the box, but it has. Wow. That is so very orange. Never mind, a good item. Right, okay, so that is that. And then we got the Bella Pierre clear mascara. Right, so I have to write this box again because it just will not come out. Right, so maybe if I move my hairspray and get the tweezers, it will come out. Right, okay, so this is like, wow, that's like a super wand. You see it? Does it have much of a scent? No, it doesn't have much of a scent. It has no scent at all. This is alright as well for your eyebrows. I use this all the time for eyebrows. If I haven't got an eyebrow setting gel, I just use this. So yeah, so that's all I do, is put it on there like that. If you like my earrings, these are from AliExpress and they are 32p and they're magnet. So I actually was expecting them just to drop out, but they didn't. They've lasted now a few hours. I really like them. The look of them is really good. I don't know if they are actually going to be a health wise, because it does claim that it makes you lose weight. So I don't know, but I like the look of them. So that's it. I suppose that's all that matters, isn't it? If you like the look of them. So yeah, so now we're going to move on to the Cougar foundation. It does look a bit actually small, but I don't know. Is this a full-sized item? It's a Cougar Beauty Mineral 5-in-1 foundation, and this is 4 grams, and the RRP price is £9. 8 grams would be £16. So yeah, so this is not a full-sized item. And so we're just going to open it like so. I have to read the box again. So this is like a mineral foundation. I don't think I've ever had a mineral foundation. Right. Taking these old boxes is a nightmare. You have to virtually just take the box to bits because it just will not come out. Right, so it's only a small amount. I did get the shade right because foundation is like a personal thing. You don't usually find it in these type of boxes, beauty boxes, because it's so difficult to get the shade right. Right, okay, so what do we have to do here? I need my tweezers. It looks like I should just get my tweezers onto this because like it's so easy with tweezers. Right, so then we're just going to tap a bit onto my hand. Right, so that's what it looks like there. So just see what it looks like. Oh, it looks very... It doesn't look like it's going to suit my skin. I don't know. Right, so the best thing is what I might do is I'll just try a little bit. I've already got foundation on, but I want to try a bit on. Doesn't come out the pot very easily neither. Right, it will go. I don't know how this is going to go. It has a very slight smell, and I do not know what this is looking like at the minute. So I'm just going to get my mirror. This could look hideous. Anyway, that is it. It's added a bit of colour. I'm most likely to get ready with me, and then you will see a proper look with it. But it looks really too dark on there for me, but it doesn't look too bad on my face. So the only way to do it is to get ready with me, and I will use this in that video, and as well as some of my new eyeshadows. So let me know if you want me to do a get ready with me with new products. So yeah, so you might like that. So just let me know in the comments if that's what you want to see. And yeah, so we got, what did we get? So we got these two, and that would be 3. What else did we get? We got something else. It's the little brush, and it's already gone. So there it is. So right, so these are the items that we got. So these are them. We've got some nice items. I do like that eyebrow pencil. Not sure on the Cougar foundation. And we got this. Right, so we'll go through the prices. Oh, and we got, I forgot to tell you, we got this, didn't we? So this was quite expensive. That was £10.50 the nail varnish. The Bella Pierre Cosmetics Clear Mascara was £19.99. A bit expensive. I don't think I would pay £19.99 for that. I think the one that I buy is usually about £1.99. And so yeah, so we get the Bernacore's eyebrow pencil at £4.95. The Cougar, I already told you, didn't I? The Cougar one, it is £9. The Cougar Beauty Kabuki brush, which is £3.99. So all in all, this box, if I ever go and add it up, it is, so we got £10.50 and £19, so £20, £30.50. Take the penny off, £30.49. Then we got £4.95, which would be £34.94. Then we got a Cougar foundation, which is £9, and so that would be £43. I tell you what, I will add it properly in the description box down below. And we also got the Cougar brush, Kabuki brush, which is £3.99, so it's like 44. It's nearly about, I get it to be about £50 this box. So yeah, so it's not really bad for your £19 that you pay, so it's really a bargain box and it's good. So anyway, if you like these videos, thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye!